autoresponder to your emails, what you can do is it will help send an automated reply to all the emails that you receive to your email account, and it can confirm the recipient that or the sender, sorry, who is sending you emails, that you have received the email. um, and you can just say that an automated you can fix an automated reply and say that you have received the email and you'll reply soon, which often happens in the companies. So what you do is you add an autoresponder in cpanel. Log into your cpanel now, go to search bar, and it should be in the email section, but I can't find mine in the email section. So what I do is I go to search bar and I type in autoresponder. I will click that, and I will click add autoresponder, and then check the I'll choose the character set, and it's already I can choose any if I want, but I'll just keep the UTF-8, which is already by default there. Then I'll choose the number of hours to wait between response to the same email. So I'll choose 1 hour maybe, and then the email could be from info at and the domain name, and from could be so if I receive an email from, for example, your at hotmail.co.uk, okay, and the subject is greetings, for example, okay, and I can write my message here. Hi, thanks for contacting me. um I will respond or reply to you as soon as possible. Okay, whatever you want. Many thanks and kind regards. Uh, whatever you want to write, and you can fix the that's the message that it will send them, and you can fix it can start immediately. You can custom that if you want, or you can stop whenever you want. Okay, so you can do that, and you can just create or modify. Click that now. Okay, and I'll just go back, and I've just created that, and that's fine. If I want, I can just click edit and change the things, or I can delete it if I want, if I don't want it now. uh, so I'll just delete it right now because I don't need it. I'm just doing a delete autoresponder because I'm just doing it for the video only. So there's no autoresponder set up for this domain.